Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a non-traditional fun Thanksgiving mani using dip powders from Krival. The first one here, it's called Heather and it's a beautiful mauve gray. Definitely has a gray undertone and it's really pretty. And it pairs perfectly with Cozy Cashmere, and I just love that name. So this is actually a light mauve, but it has a gray undertone to it. And you will see that light mauve a little bit more when it's paired next to Heather. And then we're gonna get a little crazy here. We're gonna add a little sparkle to our mani today with Spooky Spells, which is a holographic glitter. And it has purples, greens, and reds in it, and it's very pretty, and it complements these colors really well, and it goes perfectly with these fun decals from Nails Truly. Now, how vibrant are these decals from Nails Truly? They're super fun, and they have faces on them, and they're just so cute. And we're gonna do the gel method today, and we're gonna make press-ons, because these decals are just way too cute to just use and not have them. There's just something about food decals with smiley faces that get me every time, and they're just so cute. And the good thing about making press-ons is that I can reuse this set if I want to in the future. But again, you don't have to do press-ons. You can do your mani however you want. That is the beauty of doing our nails at home. So we're dipping into Cozy Cashmere right now, and you can see how pigmented that is with just one dip. Krival has amazing powders. You really only need 2 dips, and if you like all those fun like cozy sweater colors, you definitely need to check out the Cozy Sweater collection, because it is the perfect fall vibe, and there's so many great colors. You'll have to see. I'll put a picture at the end of the video of that collection so you can kind of see what that collection is all about. It's super pretty, but stay tuned. There is going to be some fun, exciting new Christmas colors coming out from Krival. So definitely head over to the Krival Facebook page to follow that group. It's super fun. You will see some sneak peeks soon of the new colors that are going to be releasing, and then the other ambassadors as well will be creating manis. So it's just really fun to get some more inspiration other than just seeing what I provide on my channel. I really do like that Facebook group, so I'll go ahead and link that below. So for today's mani, we are going to do a press-on mani style watch me work type of video. So I'm not going to chime in at the end or anything like that. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we will be doing a dip liquid video, and it will not be a press-on, so get excited for that. And it's going to be part of the 25 Days of Christmas series that I'm starting, so I really hope you enjoy that. So I must say, I really like how this mani turned out. I think the colors are really fun, and it's just something a little bit different than your normal Thanksgiving mani. It's not that rustic vibe. It has some cooler undertones to it with that pop of glitter. You will notice here, on a side note before I let everyone just enjoy the mani process, that I'm doing the solids first before we dive into that gorgeous glitter. I'm going to do the solids all the way through, and then I'm going to put my press-on mani set to the side when I'm dipping into that glitter for that one accent nail. But when I go in and do that accent nail, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I do the top coat on it as well, to make sure that I'm not picking up any of those glitters on those solid nails that we just dipped into. So that's the only difference that I did during my mani process today. Alright, so I'll go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.